We're more than halfway through Game of Thrones Season 7, but the previously released trailers for this season promise that a lot more excitement is yet to come. We'll be discussing unaired events shown in this season's trailers, so if those count as spoilers for you, get out of here. The previous skirmishes, no matter how epic, are still just child's play compared to the real war to come. Jon Snow has been preaching the threat of the Night King to the north, and we know for certain that he'll be heading up to face him this season. Though Jon is currently at Dragonstone, trailers show him teamed up with Tormund, Beric Dondarrion, and the Hound, and fighting White Walkers. At this point, it's very likely that this conflict will take place at the end of the season. After all, winter is here. We'd be hugely surprised if Season 8 isn't entirely about the rest of Westeros, whoever's left alive, banding together to fight off the supernatural threat. For now, the odds seem to be against this super squad of R'hllor's warriors. But considering the 5th episode of Season 7 is called Eastwatch, that showdown at Eastwatch by the Sea could happen as early as then. At the very least, Jon comes face to face with Drogon before he heads back north. The Night King himself has been laying low since Bran's vision in the premiere, but he will pop up at least once more in Season 7. It seems he has his eye on Bran Stark too, based on this new vision. Bran and Sansa have reunited at Winterfell, and now another Stark has made it there too. But what is Arya looking for under that bed? Hopefully she can protect her siblings against the ever-creeping Littlefinger. Daenerys is busy trying to rally Westeros to her side after that epic battle with Jaime, but it seems like her advisors are concerned with her going rogue. And last but not least, we still have no idea who this mystery man is. All that excitement and plenty more is yet to come in Game of Thrones Season 7. Let us know what you're most excited to see in the comments below, and for more on Thrones, make sure to watch our theory about why Jon kept that big secret from Daenerys. We've got you covered on all things Game of Thrones, so make sure to like and subscribe to IGN everywhere you like to watch.